pengisi hatiku. Aku ingin mama muda, yang santai pakai lebih muda untuk pengisi hatiku.
Revision mo kay ma'am.
Check the correct spelling words. Police. Science.
Sayan, sinisaya na. Screen,
Screen. Daily. Canteen.
confine, ano dyan, confine?
Properly.
Populate. Sabi? Populate.
Gasoline. Newborn.
Neighbor.
Newborn. Skirt.
Scare.
Skirt. Future.
Picture.
Future. Explain. Foggy. Operate.
Beneath.
Beneath. Straight. Police. Straight. Daily.
Awan dyan pa, pulis, oh.
Police.
Sunod.
Screen. Daily. Contain.
Populate.
Populate.
Populate. Dia populate. Populate.
Gasoline. Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Neighbor. Scary. Future.
Picture.
Future. Explain. Foggy.
Operate.
Operate.
Beneath.
Beneath.
Straight.
Straight.
Amo diyang correct spelling ka straight. Oh.
Police. Police.
Amo diyang ang correct spelling, oh. Police. Ang basahan eh? Skin.
Skin.
Daily.
Daily.
Content.
Contain.
Populate.
Populate.
Gasoline.
Gasoline.
Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Scary.
Scary.
Feature.
Future.
Explain.
Explain.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Operate.
Operate.
Beneath.
Beneath.
Straight.
Street.
Liwat mo dyan correct spelling, ha. Police.
Police.
Naabi ba sa hatanan?
Police. Screen. Screen.
Diyaw. So, screen ang yan correct.
Contain.
Na amora.
Populate. Gasoline. Neighbor. Scary. Future.
Picture dyan.
Future. Explain. Operate. Beneath. Straight.
Naamuran ang
Foggy.
mga daily. Amo dyan sakto nga mga spelling, ha? Amo dyan contain. Ito sara man dyan. Amo dyan sakto. Contain. Ang populate. Amuran, ha? Populate. Ang gasoline. O neighbor. Explain. Feature. Operate. Feeling, ha? Tandaan mo ran. Di ka kamaan pa magbasa man. Isa ha?
Able. If you are to come something
You are able to do.
to do something, you can do it. I am able
Able.
to read this dictionary.
Dictionary.
Are you aircraft? The name is different
The name for different.
for different kinds of machine
That fly.
fly.
Agree. Agree. Ikaw ba?
Agree to think the
The
same as other people. We all agree your heart is so too big. Aquarium, a glass tank full of water for plants and fish.
Ang glass jar. Nga butpakan tubig. Para sa tanom. Kag.
Author, an author write books, plays. Appetite, when you really want
Want
a meal and the dinner, your dinner smells lovely to
It
give
gives
you an appetite.
na.
Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day.
Na.
It provides us with the energy we need to start the day.
Na.
A healthy breakfast includes a
Variety.
variety of foods from different foods group. Some common breakfast the foods are cereal, toast, egg, fruit, and yogurt. Eating a balanced breakfast helps us concentrate better in school and gives us the nutrients our bodies need. It's important not to skip breakfast because it sets the tone for the rest of the day.
Of the day, hon. Oh.
Why is breakfast considered the most important meal of the day? Name 3 common breakfast foods
Mention.
mentioned in the passage. Why is it important not to skip breakfast?
Og ya, ho. Dang. Why is the breakfast considered? You at considered. Why is the breakfast is called the most important meals of a day? It provides us with the energy we need to start our day. Why is breakfast considered to the most important meals of the day? The meals of the day. It provides, amo dyan answer na, oh. It provides, amo dyan. Why is breakfast considered the most important meals of the day? Meron kang lapis mo? It provides us with the energy. Ang tanggi.
My daily routine. My name is Haley. Today, I will tell you about my daily routine. I get up in the morning. Then I get ready to my school.
For my schools.
For my school. I go to my school with my school bus. After coming back from school, I change my clothes, wash my hands, and do my lunch. Then I go to sleep and play in the evening. Haley get up in the morning and get ready for school. Haley goes to her school with her school bus. That those what does Haley do after coming back from school? When do change
Change her clothes.
her clothes. Afternoon,
Yeah.
with do Haley plays
That's Haley free.
afternoon.
Ah,
Sun. The sun is a star at the center of the solar system. It is made up of burning gases. The sun is the most important life source for all living things of Earth.
on Earth.
8 planets orbit the sun.
Kaya, ang 8 planet, ano ito gani, dumdumano ang 8 planet, ano gani.